As you know, I love getting letters from kids, and I cannot help but share this one with you. It's from Jude up on Caloundra, and he says, "Dear Prime Minister, my name's Jude." He tells me his full name, and he tells me about the school he goes to up in Caloundra. And he says this: "I really love my school and my teacher. I love school so much that I would like you to cancel all future school holidays. The only holiday should be Saturday. Thank you for reading my letter, ScoMo, from Jude, age 5. Well, I've got good news for all the other kids who might see this. I won't be doing anything to cancel school holidays, but I've got to say, Jude, I think it's fantastic that you love your school so much, and I want to encourage kids to continue to write to me. Good on you, Jude, and I hope you're having a great school year up there in Caloundra."
Authorized by S. Morrison, the Property Camera.
No, it's not. That doesn't get you anything. So, you want this one? What are you going to say? Tyler?
Can I have this, please?
Yeah, you can get it. What are you going to say?
I have this, please.
Yeah, of course.
Mommy, see? Mommy's 35.
You can't get away from me.
你可以哭没关系，可是妈妈不会买，可以吗？你好好冷静一下好吗？你可以哭，好吗？你可以让你的 emotional， 可是妈妈不会买。这个就这样了。
Their stuff, right? You understand? And no crying if someone takes your thing. So we're gonna practice. You understand? Charlotte, hold your hand out. Just hold it, okay? Hold it. Don't need it. No. You ask her for it. No. Take a spit out. Hold it.
Eat it.
Hold it. Don't eat it. Yeah. So how are you gonna ask for it, Tyler?
Can I have this one, please?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Now you can eat it. Now we're gonna practice the taking. Here, you have this. What if this is no good for you? What if we shouldn't have this? Daddy might have to take your thing sometime, but he's doing it because he cares about you. So Daddy's gonna say, "Charlotte, give me that, please. Tyler, give me that, please. We can eat this later, okay?" Do you understand? So, what if Daddy got something and you want it? What are you gonna say?
Please, can I have this?
Please? Okay, you're gonna say, No. Are you gonna say, Are you gonna do that? Say no, Daddy.
No, Daddy.
Are you gonna do that? Say no, Daddy.
No, Daddy.
Are you gonna go, I want it. Are you gonna do that? Say no, Daddy.
No, Daddy.
Are you gonna say, Gimme. Are you gonna do that?
Yes.
Say no, Daddy. You're not gonna do that. What are you gonna do? Say,
Can I have this, please?
that's what you get. Okay?
I'm the dessert.
Okay. You could eat that one. What are you gonna say, Charlotte? This one? Say this one, please.
This one, please.
Good. You can have a short version. Okay? Now, okay, eat it. Now we're gonna practice the wrong way. We're gonna practice how not to do it. You understand? This is what you don't do. So, Kyler, go like this. I want it. Go.
I want it.
No. Charlotte, do it. I want it. Say, where? No. You don't get it. Say this. Kyler, do it. Gimme. Go.
Gimme.
No. Say gimme.
Gimme.
No. Say
Gimme.
no. Say it's mine.
It's mine, not mine. It's mine.
No.
Gimme.
No. Say Say it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Smash!
No! No, it's not. That doesn't get you anything. So, you want this one? What are you going to say? Tyler?
Can I have this, please?
Yeah, you can get it. What are you going to say?
I got this, please.
Yeah, of course. Eat that one. Okay. Do we need to practice the wrong way one more time? Say gimme, gimme, gimme.
Gimme!
Nope. Say gimme, gimme, gimme. No. Say wee, 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 wee. Say ah. No. That doesn't work. That doesn't work.
Can I have this, please?
Sure.
Have this?
Yeah, sure. Oh. Say it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Smash!
No. No, it's not. That doesn't get you anything.